Remote-controlled hydraulic system, it tightens your cargo with the push of a button. No more climbing or wrestling with straps. This system automatically adjusts tension and monitors your load while you drive. When empty, it lowers the stakes to cut drag and save fuel. It's not just smart, it's safer, faster, and easier on your body. Next, meet the Pavli Strong semi-trailer, a powerhouse engineered to carry heavy vehicles like buses and tractors. With options for 2 or 3 axles and payloads up to 24,500 kilograms, it's got muscle. The extendable frame, hydraulic ramps, and a platform that lifts up to 20 tons make it incredibly flexible. Even better, it's hot-dip galvanized, protecting it from rust so it lasts longer on the job. Optional hydraulic steering and weight monitoring tech seal the deal. Transporting hay bales? The Flegal SES 300BL Ultra is purpose-built for the job. With a 29,000 kilograms weight capacity and massive platform space, it handles round or square bales with ease. The highlight? Its built-in load-securing tarpaulins with tension belts that reduce spillage and waste during transit. Durable, efficient, and user-friendly. Forget side mirrors. DAF's digital vision system uses retractable cameras to replace them entirely. Mounted high on the cab and connected to in-cab monitors, it reduces blind spots, cuts down drag, and even improves fuel efficiency. Drivers say it's quieter and offers better visibility than traditional mirrors, especially in poor weather. If you need to haul massive loads, the Globe 55-ton lowboy trailer won't let you down. Its flip-axle system lets you adapt on the fly to weight regulations, and the heavy-duty deck fits just about anything. A 13 HP Honda motor, Apatong decking, and aluminum wheels come standard, backed by a 10-year structural warranty. Built tough, built smart. Ever driven through mud or snow and thought, I wish I had tracks instead of wheels? Ride Track Systems has the solution. These rebuildable rubber tracks convert trucks and equipment into terrain beasts. They're modular, durable, and designed to be easily maintained. And with some users reporting 6 years of flawless performance, they're worth every penny. Turning a light commercial vehicle into a full tractor trailer? That's the genius of the B-Combi coupling. It transforms a 3,500 kilograms vehicle into a tractor unit complete with subframe, fifth wheel, air brakes, and more. No commercial license needed. Now small businesses can haul like the big leagues. The Blackview DR 770X2CH is a dash cam built for serious work. Recording in full HD at 60 fps with Sony Starvis sensors, it captures everything, rain or shine. With GPS, Wi-Fi, cloud backup, and waterproof rear camera, it's the all-seeing eye for your rig, perfect for fleet managers and solo haulers alike. Day cabs usually mean no naps, but not anymore. Veteran driver Steven Saunders created the Truck Snoozer, a hammock for non-sleeper cabs. Set it up in seconds without drilling or mods, and get real rest when delays strike. Drivers everywhere are calling it a must-have comfort upgrade. Keep your tires perfect, automatically. SAF's Tire Pilot. Plus maintains ideal tire pressure at all times, inflating or deflating as needed. That means longer tire life, better fuel mileage, and fewer roadside breakdowns. It can be factory installed or retrofitted on many trailers. Smart, reliable, and fleet-ready. Known for their heavy-duty lowboys, XL Specialized Trailers is a go-to for construction, ag, and wind industries. Durable, reliable, and made in America. While their customer service gets mixed reviews, their trailer quality is widely respected. Tired of lifting heavy boxes manually? The Machinex-powered hand truck lets one person lift up to 309 pounds without breaking a sweat. Battery-powered with 50 lifts per charge. It's ideal for workshops, delivery crews, and warehouses. Just watch your balance on uneven ground. Polish company Wesob is known for trailers, but their forklift division is growing fast. While detailed specs are scarce, customer reviews praise their professionalism and build quality. If you're in the market for custom industrial solutions, they're worth contacting directly. Stuck in mud? Don't stress. DAF's rock-free function gently helps your wheels regain traction by allowing controlled rocking. Integrated into trucks with traction transmission, it's a lifesaver when the terrain turns tricky. Refrigerated trailers just went electric. The Kogel eCool uses regenerative braking to power its cooling system. Zero diesel, zero emissions. With every brake, it stores energy in onboard batteries. Perfect for eco-conscious fleets. Load fast, drive smart. The Libner OpenBox C+ has a retractable sliding curtain body that opens in seconds. It's certified for beverage transport and extra tall loads with weather protection built in. Efficiency meets safety. Comfort on the road is non-negotiable. The Spojcar Max XL is a sleeper cabin for Iveco Daily chassis, with a large mattress, USB ports, and integrated roof spoiler for better aerodynamics. Rest well, drive better. Blind spot accidents can be deadly. Stone Ridge Side-Eye uses radar and cameras to detect pedestrians and cyclists beside your truck. With a live monitor and alert system, it keeps drivers aware and roads safer. The EcoPack is an aerodynamic storage box that reduces drag and saves fuel, up to 3%. It's smart storage that pays for itself over time. The under-tray system compresses airflow under your trailer to boost fuel efficiency. Install it in under an hour, and enjoy a 5.5% bump in mileage. It's EPA verified and CARB compliant, smart for your wallet and the planet. Track tire pressure in real time with the Oricom TPS-10. Solar-powered, easy to install, and supports up to 10 tires. It's a lifesaver for anyone towing trailers, boats, or caravans. Safety at the dock is crucial. The StrongArm HVR 303 uses an electric hook system to secure trailers during loading. No more surprise rollaways, just stable, safe, green-friendly tech. A major name in trucking, KLM offers great career opportunities, if you're okay with some dispatcher hiccups. Mixed reviews, but solid benefits and advancement make it worth a look. Betterflow's Aero package can save 1.5 to 1.8 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers. That's up to 500,000 liters saved per fleet annually. With rear flaps and underbody mods, it's clean, effective, and future-ready. Last but not least, FuelGuard is a fuel additive that cleans your engine and boosts mileage. It's compatible with gas and diesel, offering an easy maintenance boost at a low cost. From AI-driven mirrors to hammocks for power naps, these truck innovations are changing how we drive, haul, and rest. Which one would you add to your setup? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more incredible gear coming your way.